Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is another day spent in Kerala, and this time it's a day with my brother-in-law and family in Calicut. We decided a stay over at their residence, and I don't know if you all know this, but Calicut is famous for their food, so we decided to eat out completely and no cooking at home. Hope you like it. Keep watching. So we got out from home after breakfast. Just to munch on the way, my husband got into a bakery and bought some. That's laddu. It was raining that day. Now in a place named Kondoti, there is a small shop. We always stop and have their spicy buttermilk. It's called Kadarbai's buttermilk. We love it. It's a spicy one and refreshing too. Even my Rihan loves it. That's a famous mall in Calicut, Highlight Mall. We reached the destination. Now brother had gone for work, so we decided to pick all others from home and have lunch together, and he would join for lunch later. Towards the hotel. That's Amma Hotel. It's either known as Amma Mess too. They have many such hotels in different areas. The fried fish there is heavenly yum. It was too good. You don't even need any curry for the rice. Just the masala from the fried fish was more than enough. Now after the lunch, to have something sweet, we bought the sesame seeds ball from there itself. Then my husband had some shopping to be done, which was a really boring one for the ladies. He had some badminton shopping, buying kit, shoes for Rihan and many other. Then on the way we saw this bookstore which even sold second-hand books. Bought a few books from there. Then after shopping, my youngest brother-in-law, who had already come to Calicut with his friends, joined us, and we all together moved for having some tea and snacks. We stopped at this famous Adam's tea shop, Adaminte Chai Kada normally called. They have a branch in Dubai too. We ordered many snacks from there. It tasted good, but nothing can beat homemade ones. The interior was an old-fashioned theme. I had met one of my viewers from there. It was really surprising and happy too. Later, then we moved to the beach side. That was pottery making. Really amazing to see the craftsmen working on that. There was a beach expo going on there, just a glimpse of what's in. I had met a viewer from here too. Some photos taken from there. Then over to the play area. We all had some fun there. Then suddenly it began raining, so we got out from there. Went at a place they put for dinner. That's a restaurant owned by a famous film actor of Kerala. You get the cinnamon tea and even papad, how much ever you want, along with food. You get varieties of puttu dishes there named after his movie. Next day, schools were reopening after a short vacation, so she began preparing tiffin for kids. Men going for playing. We actually decided to go out for breakfast, but my husband came late after playing, so we had some light snacks from home and then got out at 11 a.m. and straight away had lunch. That's my friend Sumi from college. They were living in the same building. They too joined for lunch. Lunch was from Toffum restaurant. The chicken biryani over there was really delicious. Then later the Riyadh gang had gathered and we had some chit-chats. On the way back home, we stopped at this tiny roadside tea stall and had banana fritters and chai. It tasted good. Usually such tea stalls sell snacks prepared 1 or 2 days old, but guess this was fresh one. Now that's the Ravis resort where we family had a night stay. Traffic. Indian bus is really dangerous. They don't have time to stop till all the passengers are in. Finally back home. So that's for today's video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.